The U.S. Federal Reserve recently made waves with an announcement about the use of XRP. Senior Vice President David Andolfato of the St. Louis Federal Reserve Branch has highlighted the possible integration of RippleNet for payment processing. RippleNet's reliance on XRP as a facilitator for these transactions has been highlighted. To paraphrase David Andolfato specifically, the Fed may delegate settlement tasks to an outside entity, such as Ripple. If this scenario occurs, it predicts a large increase in the value of XRP, which may approach $10,000. Furthermore, it is worth noting that the Federal Reserve's decision is not surprising. A few weeks, or possibly a month ago, the Federal Reserve issued an official statement noting the possible importance of XRP and XLM in improving the blockchain aspect of their FedNow payment service. The attention is on Ripple, which is known for its revolutionary cross-border payment solutions and open-source financial transaction technologies. The inclusion of Ripple's technology into the FedNow payment service is expected to play a significant role in propelling XRP's value to record heights. Hey there, XRP family, your reliable source for all things XRP. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications to join our community. And after we reach 60,000 subscribers, we'll be hosting an epic XRP giveaway. With only 3 simple steps, you can throw your hat into the ring. So make sure to accomplish all of that. To reserve your seat, leave a remark with the hashtag XRP. Let's get right into today's topic. We are concentrating on Ripple's collaboration with the Federal Reserve, which was officially disclosed on the federalreserve.gov website. The U.S. Path to Faster Payment study, in its opening section, the Faster Payment Task Force approach recognizes Ripple as a prominent actor in payment solutions in collaboration with the Federal Reserve. The paper focuses on Ripple's potential to handle real-time international payments, which typically take 2 to 4 days with minimal tracking and fee transparency. Ripple revolutionizes this by providing total visibility into payment progress and fees, as well as fast settlement. We later learned that Ripple and the Federal Reserve have expanded their relationship to encompass domestic payments. There is comprehensive documentation to accompany this, which viewers can pause and read. A key section from the paper discusses the collaboration of central banks such as the Bank of England. The Federal Reserve and the Saudi Monetary Authority have partnered with Ripple to improve the domestic payment system. Another intriguing feature of the paper is its reference of Ripple Labs' innovation at the fundamental level of payment processing, with an emphasis on providing a free, real-time settlement infrastructure worldwide. It implies that Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement structure is poised to replace existing fund transfer systems, with the Federal Reserve aiming to adopt and deploy it. Looking back, there were early signs of this evolution. Regarding a year ago, the Ripple logo was prominently displayed during a Federal Reserve story on Fox News regarding the possibility of a digital U.S. currency. Additionally, institutions such as the Bank of International Settlements, the BIs, the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, and the Federal Reserve Board have all listed Ripple on their Operating in the Shadows Partners list, indicating an interest in Ripple's technology. Delving deeper into the fascinating realm of global finance, it becomes clear that the Bank of International Settlements, or BIs, manages a sizable percentage of the world's wealth. Ripple's entry into this space is a significant step. We have a statement from the Department of Interior quoting Jess Chan, a senior counselor on the Frederickshire Board of Governors. Jess, a former Ripple Deputy General Counsel member, is apparently at the helm of this endeavor. For those who are interested in the finer points, there is a lot to explore here, and it's all really interrelated. But that is only the top of the iceberg. What I am about to tell may surprise many of you. The Federal Reserve recently issued a warning about potential bank losses as real estate pressures and interest rates rise. Interestingly, they have been discussing this with many partners since early March. Furthermore, it appears that BRICS and the EU are preparing to adopt XRP. The European Union has even stated that XRP will serve as the cornerstone for the future digital euro, with wealth transfers managed by the XRP ledger. Multiple publications back up this claim, pointing to an impending spike in XRP's value. A top analyst anticipates a short-term increase to $500.50, with the potential to reach $10,000 as the company acquires global popularity. This discovery is attributed to Arthur Brito, Ripple's co-founder. As we watch the video, it becomes evident that the XRP narrative is fast-shifting. Moving beyond the SEC vs. Ripple issue, we are now seeing BRICS nations decide to construct their central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger in conjunction with Ripple. According to recent reports, the BRICS-backed central bank digital currency would be a key global financial instrument. And there is proof of Ripple's huge network within each BRICS countries, which we will investigate in depth. Let us begin our adventure in Brazil, where a major development has occurred. Brazil has collaborated with Ripple to establish a breakthrough crypto-on-demand liquidity solution. This program represents a substantial advancement in the country's financial technology sector. We now turn our attention to Russia. Extensive material indicates President Putin's purposeful shift away from the petrodollar and USD. In wake of SWIFT's decision to ban Russia from its payment system, there has been a noticeable shift toward Ripple Labs. What's the goal? To create a Russian CBDC, or central bank digital currency, using the XRP ledger. This method not only opposes the SWIFT restriction but also uses the decentralized nature of the XRP ledger to ensure Russia's. Ripple is at the vanguard of another big project, India's ambitious Digital Rupee initiative. This project marks a significant step forward in India's pursuit of a comprehensive global CBDC, with Ripple Labs technology serving as the foundation. But the story does not stop there. China, too, has joined the race, partnering with Ripple to make inroads into the world of central bank digital currency. This agreement demonstrates Ripple's growing significance in the global financial arena. In Africa, the story is similar. The 2022 African Blockchain Report highlights CBDC's growing prominence on the XRP ledger across the continent. According to the research, South Africa, along with more than a dozen other African countries, have chosen Ripple and XRP for payment processing systems. This extensive adoption highlights the ledger's growing role in Africa's financial environment. And finally, in a recent BRICS analysis, XRP was identified as a leading digital asset for payment services. This BRICS support strengthens XRP's status as a key participant in the world of digital currencies. In light of recent developments, there has been an increase in price projections for XRP, with some particularly noteworthy estimates catching our eye. When renowned financial analysts forecast an XRP price of $500.50, it naturally leads to further investigation. Our research led us to an unexpected source, ChatGPT, a popular AI bot. This AI identified 4 cryptocurrencies, XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, as poised for an astounding 100,000% growth by 2024. Such a pricing for XRP is not surprising, especially given Ripple's co-founder Arthur Brito's perspective. He sees XRP reaching $10,000, a value he feels it was destined to accomplish. Brito also emphasized XRP's scalability, stating that it can meet the global population's financial needs, which are expected to be $7.5 billion. So what does $500 represent in this context? In the great scheme of things, $500 is simply a stepping stone to XRP's full potential worth. However, obtaining the momentous price of $10,000, which is the stated aim for XRP, necessitates worldwide scalability and significant financial flow via the XRP ledger. Further supporting this trend, 21 countries have officially committed to abandon the US currency, with virtual institutions increasingly working with AI to create CBDCs on the XRP ledger. This development points to a rising trend of central banks collaborating with Ripple and, more crucially, integrating the XRP ledger into their operations. Just 3 days ago, Dubai's central bank made a judgment that exemplifies this tendency. XRP is fully endorsed for use. This decision by Dubai demonstrates the rising global acceptance and use of XRP